Hi Jade, thanks very much for the question with regards to your Beko washing machine. You're telling me you've got a Beko WTK82011W. Now you'll have to apologise about my location and answering this question, as I'm on a bit of a busman's holiday and I'm travelling all around Europe, and at the moment I'm in the North Africa down at the Sahara Desert, and I'm actually on the coast of the Western Sahara. I'll explain all this in a second. Your question with your washing machine is very vague with regards the way that you've worded it, but from what I can understand is your machine is 2 to 5 years old. It will start the cycle. You're initially hearing water going into the machine, but it stops and then it just empties. You're telling me it completes a spin cycle if you select that separately, and it will also do the tub clean. What concerns me here is what the actual problem is, but what I've managed to get for you is the full workshop manual and also the wiring diagram for this machine, and it will be in the description on the video. Now just click on that and it will take you through to the PDFs, which are a very comprehensive workshop manual and wiring diagram as well. First thing you want to do is take the lid off the machine, unplug it from the power supply, and do a meter check on each one of the water valves. There should be 3 or 4 inside the machine in the back left-hand corner, back right-hand corner of the machine, looking at it from the back. Do test all those water valves. The second thing I would be checking is the heating system, because if the heating system is not working, it may be causing the machine to come up with an error and then going into safety mode. This is highly possible as well. Apart from that, you've told me that you've cleared the pump, but you didn't tell me if it was emptying in the allocated period of time. So the other thing I would do is not only check the pump, the filter, but there is a sump hose that runs from the bottom of the drum all the way to the pump, and it's worth checking this as well in case you've got a restriction in water coming out of the machine. Anyway, I hope all this information helps you. I have put a link in the description, and if you do need any spare parts, at the bottom of the page are exploded diagrams of your machine, and they will show you all the individual components on the machine, and those reference numbers in the pictures also match up to the actual part numbers as well. Anyway, I'm here on the Western Sahara, and possibly about 400 miles down from Agadir, and this is an inland waterway system that runs from the ocean into the Sahara Desert, and it's one of the most picturesque locations you could possibly get. And if you look this direction here, you can also see the Sahara dunes on the top there, and then coming into the middle you can see the surf breaking over the top, and then on this side again you've got the Sahara Desert, and behind you is my van, which I'll show you now, my van there, and then this is going in depth into the Sahara Desert. You'll notice that we've got a garrison point there because the security in the Western Sahara is very high with regards to tourism, and they do have a tendency to make sure that you've got security military police available to you at any time during the night. I hope all this information helps you get your washing machine up and running. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us, and don't forget, use the contact us page if you need any further assistance whatsoever. I am able to answer you because I have Starlink internet on the van, so I'm able to work from these remote locations. Take care for now.